I started a Faceless channel 4 months ago, and I've invested over $10,000 in a YouTube automation course. And guess what? I'm here to tell you 4 big reasons why you should not start a Faceless YouTube channel. From missed professional opportunities to hidden costs. Stick around. This video could save you a ton of time and money. Alright. So let's dive into why showing your face on camera could really boost your professional game. When you're the face of the channel, it's so much more easier to get sponsorship, collaborations, and even just selling your own product. Now, don't get me wrong, faceless channels definitely get brand deals too, but it's a lot easier when you have a personal touch to the channel. Showing your face on camera helps convey emotions much better, which allows your viewers to connect with you on a much deeper level, whereas they won't be able to connect with you if you have a faceless channel. Faceless content just does not evoke the same emotional response from the viewer as a personal touch would do. And come on, seeing a real person talk about a product or any brand deal, it's much more trustworthy and more credible when you can see the person. For example, with me, when I used to watch Grace Beverly in 2018, that time she was just a fitness influencer. She started selling her resistance bands and stuff. I'm not into fitness and exercise and stuff, although I probably should be, but I was still buying her products because I just loved her. I was a fan of her. I loved everything she did. I trusted her. So I bought the product, and today she has an online store called Tala, and I still buy products from her. Like, her clothing line is really good, and it's really exciting because they even have these tags that come with it, and you can plant a tree when you buy something from there. So that's cool. But that just goes to show that this is the reason why influencers will get many more brand deals compared to faceless channels would. So reason 2 why you should not start a faceless YouTube channel is limited opportunities for multiple streams of income. So with a faceless YouTube channel, your main income is YouTube AdSense. And let's be real, that's not something you want to fully rely on. With a personal channel, you're basically growing a brand. And the more your channel grows, so many more opportunities pop up for you. You could start your own course, you could sell digital products like merch, and so much more. What really opened up my eyes about how many opportunities YouTube can bring for you is watching Ali Abdaal's a video about how much money he made in 2022, and all these opportunities literally came up because he just started YouTube, and he quit being a full-time doctor to be a full-time YouTuber. That's insane. Reason number 3 for why you should not start a faceless channel. It is expensive to get started. Let's talk money. Producing faceless videos isn't cheap. To automate a faceless channel, you need to hire minimum of 4 freelancers. So you need your scriptwriter, the voiceover artist, the thumbnail artist, and the video editor. So the cost to produce one faceless video would probably range between 75 to 100. It can go as low as 50 to 100, but also you want to produce quality videos. And those costs add up fast, especially if you're not the lucky ones like me, who one of your videos will go viral and you get tons of views and subscribers. Yeah, so I've been doing it for the past 4 months, and I've made $61, and I have spent over $2,000 in producing the videos. The math is not mathing. And if you're new to YouTube, like I was when I started the faceless channel, I had never made a channel before, so I didn't know how the algorithm works. I didn't know what made a good YouTube video. I didn't know what is gonna get views. So hiring the right people can be tough if I didn't know what I was looking for. And before you can get your dream team, you need to do a lot of testing with different freelancers, and that also costs money. Taking us to the 4th reason why you should not start faceless YouTube channel. You aren't really learning any valuable skills. Since you're hiring all the freelancers to do all the work, you aren't learning any valuable skills. If you had your own YouTube channel, you'd be working on video editing, videography, photography, and even to learn how to talk confidently to a camera, which in turn can help with public speaking in the future. There are so many skills that you could be learning as you grow your personal YouTube channel. So these are some of the downsides of starting a faceless YouTube channel, but hey, there are plenty of benefits too. There are people making thousands of dollars with multiple channels, and this is their full-time careers. The people I learned from the course I was taking, the owner of the course had like 10-20 channels, and he was making over $100,000 a month. The customer success manager I also had, he also had like 50 channels, and he started his channel, one of his channel, from scratch when I started mine 4 months ago, and within less than a month he had already monetized his channel and was making so much more money. But that clearly goes to show, because of experience, he knew what he wanted in a team and what makes a good video that will make people watch it. So if you know all of that and you have the investment to spend on making videos, then hey, go for it. It's an amazing venture, because at the end of the day, you're not spending much time on it. It's mostly automated. But that's for another video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch the benefits of starting a faceless YouTube channel. Thank you.